Next up, all's fair for crown. It is to kill the sniper with a sniper, the rhino with a pistol, and the juggernaut with an LMG. So if you're going to be heading into factory, take a pistol, preferably a powerful one like a deagle, and a sniper rifle. Essentially, if you haven't already done this, you'll head to the middle section of the Kushai complex. After finding your way out of whatever entrance you came through, you'll pick up a factory key, for which you'll head all the way to the north side of the complex, place the key in the door, and you'll be in the factory area. After pushing even further north and traveling through the back rooms there, you'll end up in the rhino spot where you'll need to 1v1 the rhino. This is a super heavily armored AI, and you'll need to get through its armor first before you can kill it. You can use shotguns, grenades, anything like that to get through the armor, then simply spam through it with a pistol, and that'll count as long as the final blow is landed using the weapon you needed. Then the same goes for the sniper, to which you can access through a back door in the same room. After getting rid of the rhino, head upstairs, break the AI's armor, then eventually land the killing shot with a sniper rifle. I needed to do it twice, as the first time we killed the sniper I got an assist, so it didn't count, and now these first two pieces of this mission are done. The last is the juggernaut. Now, while I thought you could use any juggernaut for this, such as under the Ishika castle, that doesn't count. It needs to be the juggernaut on Al Mazrah. Now, there's a few spawn locations for this juggernaut. You'll just really need to drive around from different place to place until you eventually see the juggernaut is nearby, for which you'll need to go and find them and do enough damage with an LMG. This juggernaut is noticeably much more tankier than the juggernauts under the Ishika castle, but anyways, once you land the killing shot here with your LMG, the mission should now be complete. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.